Okay, so what's it called? Alright, my name is Tyler. Michael Pierce, but I'm sorry, but you know what I'm saying. Hey, I told you I already had one. You know, I already know how to do it now. I think. So yeah, and just like to just take the time to tell y'all that I don't know. Alright, so I got some theories I want to tell for you. If y'all's out there that are noticed that I read a lot of books and I like to study a lot, and this is why we're in this account YouTube because I want to show everybody that I like guns, lowriders, music, rap, action, violence. I like everything mostly in those categories because I love to be smart at what I do, and I'm not just trying to be a fool, but yeah. So that's why I'm making this message to you out there. Yeah, so what I'm saying, it doesn't really matter what you come from. It's just I just don't really feel like it. You know what I'm saying? And my videos are just not that quick. So yeah, and also I like to take the time to show you that I love making videos for you, and I can't just really just be like that, and I just like other videos, and I don't think this is my first upload video. This is just something that I do every day. I go to school every day. I eat lunch every day, and I study every day. So it doesn't matter what I'm saying. If you don't know what you're doing, you know what I'm saying, and that's also because and that's the instrumental Hail Mary by Tupac. I like that guy. You know what I'm saying. I just like him. My favorite poet. Poet and rapper. I mean, I like poetry. I like to be a rapper, and I love poetry. If y'all can give me some poetry tips, I would love to hear them. But this is my first upload, so